I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Ghost Trail in Super Bear Adventure. This sought-after cosmetic item adds a distinct visual flair to your bear, making your movement stand out. Unlike other trails, the Ghost Trail lingers, creating a truly unique look. Let's dive into the exact steps you need to take to unlock this awesome effect for your character. To unlock the Ghost Trail, your main objective is to achieve 100% completion in a specific way. You need to collect every single gold bear available across all levels. This means successfully beating the gold time challenge for each stage and gathering all the coins within those challenging time limits. It's a comprehensive task that requires dedication and precision. Achieving these goals can be tough, but with some strategy, you'll get there. Take your time to learn each level's layout and the best routes for collecting coins quickly. Don't be afraid to retry levels if you miss a few coins or fall short on time. Persistence is key, and every attempt brings you closer to mastering the challenges and earning your reward. After successfully collecting all gold bears and completing the challenges, head to the hive area in the game. There, you'll find the Ghost Trail available to equip, ready to transform your bear's appearance. Flaunt your hard-earned trail and enjoy the unique visual effect it adds to your adventures. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy adventuring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.